My brother, I'm good and you. So what is that one thing you wish you knew before coming here?
I wish I knew the purpose of existence and what role do I play in existence. Then when I come here, at least I would know where to actually allocate myself to actually can fulfill the destiny that actually here for.
How the fuck does he speak like this every day? He says he wishes he knew the purpose of his existence.
Yes.
What the fuck does that mean?
But then
Couldn't you just say how to get 5 girls to give me a blowjob at the same time behind a dumpster at Muddy Bang? You couldn't say that. I'm just saying.
The point that I'm being.
What's up? We're back.
Not your girl's tits. Take me to say loud.
We're back and we're reacting to things I wish I knew
before
coming to UJ.
So, I think generally.
Disclaimer, I'm near UJ.
I think he's in university in general. Like
to
the questions,
university.
then
okay.
Just the bubbles of UJ. But yeah, suggest, like, subscribe, yonkinto nje. Maranati will react to whatever video and a small. How shame. And they still have their dignity intact because hey. Welcome. As I say, PBH. Stop us because
Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Gift Varsity TV. This is your host, Gift Bozekana. Today we are at the University of. They say it's a second best university in Africa. We're talking about University of Johannesburg. This is APK campus. So we're gonna get inside and just have a conversation with some few students and hear what is that 2-3 things they wish they knew before coming to UJ and before coming to university as a whole. Stay tuned. So guys,
coding. I want to learn how to code.
Support, sponsor. What about me? JetBrains.
Finally, we are inside University of Johannesburg. This is APK campus. Hey, yeah, it's my first time being here.
Let's
find some.
Bringing and entering, trespassing.
Like, so the most beautiful women we have in South Africa, but say UJ. I'll say that.
Beautiful girls,
The most
not
beautiful.
women.
The most beautiful women.
The most beautiful women.
Students that are going to talk to us, but let's wait.
The jumpies are now.
Guys, finally we found some UJ students here. Hello, my brother.
Hello.
How are you?
Hi,
Good and you?
I'm good. What's your name?
Lomea.
And you?
Princess.
And you?
Matab.
Guys, I just want to ask just one question. What is that one thing, 2 things you wish you knew before coming here?
Oh, Asia Goala. Probably I should have went to vets. The third most.
Guys, he thinks that he should have went to vets. And you, what is that one thing?
Why is he selling us out?
Nothing actually. Nothing.
So everything you.
I actually knew everything.
Oh, you
Yeah.
know everything. Okay.
We should have went to the third best university in town. This
Let
one is more
Matas
pressure.
talk.
What's in?
Guys, this is everything you.
I actually knew everything.
Oh, you
Yeah.
know everything.
Dead.
He said it's the third best university in town or something like that. I think it's 2. Is there another university?
Monash.
It's not in town. Is it in town?
I guess town is
Somewhere in Pretoria.
no.
Where's Monash?
It's a report, I think.
It's not in town.
Okay.
We should have gone to the third best university in town. This one is more pressure. We should have been.
Guys, best student, please don't be affected. Ne? And you?
The pressure, very
Pressure work bad, guys.
Thank you so much. And what's your name, one?
Matao.
Matabo. And you?
Princess.
Princess. Thank you so much for your time.
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Tandega.
Chandeka.
Hi.
Chandeka, you're doing which year?
I'm taking second year.
What are you studying?
Become accounting.
Accounting. Okay, tell us, what is that one thing?
Actually, UJ is the best accounting programs in the country. I'm just putting it out there. Bah!
Qeda isikole senibala amapete entsango Nkosi yami.
2 things you wish you knew before coming to university. Even if it's one thing, it's fine. You still you'll be like, no man, this thing I wish I knew before even I registered to this institution.
Then nasiphoxa ngesound kunjani?
She was saying, fuck away, fuck. Just skip.
What happened to the sound?
And you, what is that one thing?
Hello, Baba.
She doesn't know.
Wrong border. You had no sound for 2 minutes.
Maybe there. How does this make it out of the edit?
Into engifuna ukuyibuza.
Someone needs to be
What is
fired,
that
bro.
one thing you wish you
He
knew?
needs to be fired.
That one thing I wish I knew.
She doesn't know, guys. She knew everything. When
One thing you wish you knew.
so, okay, let's try to ask others. Okay.
Wait, I know it. It's never go skinny dipping here at night with your girlfriend from what's that race again? What's that race? Moshate Heights, yes. Shout out to you, babe.
Shout out to you, babe.
Like, she was so amazing. Yeah, it's basically never to go skinny dipping. Gula manzilao. It's not gonna be good on your resume when you start applying for jobs. Something about, I don't know, say, public indecency and yeah, just don't.
Okay.
Frank.
Frank Post. Frankie, you doing which year?
I'm doing second year.
Second year. What are you studying?
Become accounting.
Become accounting. So why become accounting?
It's because become accounting
Dude, everyone at Kingsway does become accounting. Like, everyone at Kingsway does become accounting. Like, it will be hard for you to find out what it doesn't do. Like, if become accounting, that's how popular it is at Kingsway. It's crazy.
Finance fundi.
Oh, turn up my numbers.
Women's
Yeah.
studies.
You love numbers, ne? Yeah, and you also love working with money. Ne?
Exactly.
Exactly. Ne? So, what is that one thing you wish you knew before coming here?
The time when I come here, I thought everything is over simple and straightforward. But the time in Fialana ish, scholars hectic, I don't wanna lie, especially if you the accounting. But ngokthemba ngokuphusha.
I like the inspiration in music.
Hey, it's inspire ngoDoli. Ngoba nako lo munye uthi especially mwenze accounting, uzifundeni lezi ezinye izinto. Usikenya la, utshela into ongayazi nayo. Fuck.
Yeah, la manje.
Well, guys, we are still at here on at APK campus. So they call it Matibe. I think it's a famous building here in the University of Johannesburg. So it
I got my first blowjob here.
consists of lecture
I've
halls
put this many times.
and also libraries are also here. So yeah, if you are coming to UJ in 2023,
I'm joking. Never happened.
you as a student, as a University of Johannesburg student, as the second best university in Africa.
Well, here's not wrong, Ebony. I want to play enemies again. So, yeah.
So this is the place that you would be choosing. As you can see, that students, I think maybe they are from the lecture halls and stuff. So let's hope we'll find other.
This nigga boring you.
Yeah, and imagine umphorela ukuthi nalendlela akukhuluma ngayo nabantu kuthini.
I mean, come on.
Like akanama social skills because like fana build the ambience,
Yeah, I think-
build the mood.
Yeah, I think it's his personality. But yeah, I think he's gonna learn.
And he's saying a bunch of nothing. That's another thing in Kenya. Like, why are we listening to a soliloquy?
No, I think the biggest problem is that he goes to people and then asks them questions before he even.
Share rapport.
Yeah, because now it's like, oh, so there's nothing. Okay, so it's like that.
And then nalombuzo wakhe so ungathi ubuza ngesikole akabuzi nge-university life or tertiary life. So nje I'm Kenya.
Can you introduce yourself?
Delani.
Dilani,
Witoko.
Fundiso,
Afana kanjani ntombazana?
Tabelo.
Ngani yami kwenze njani?
Nomfundo. So you are students here, ne? Okay. So I just want to ask, what is that one thing you wish you knew before coming here?
How to ride a girl.
To you, Jay.
I think I wish I knew the pressure that is here. Like the level of focus that one must have. That's the only thing I'm thinking of every time.
What are you studying?
I'm doing LLB.
LLB.
Yes.
Yes. You doing which year?
The second year.
Second year.
Yeah.
You wanna be a lawyer?
No.
Okay,
wanna be
you.
a dentist.
Shoot manje vele ziyakhala yini. Mina uma bengazi vele bengengize ngishukuze evava. Vele
Guys, it is opinion, this one. Ne? You must come. People have different experiences, guys. No, don't hear him say that again. He is here. So, if indeed he didn't want to come here, I guess that he registered. Brother, I'm good and you. So, what is that one thing you wish you knew before coming here?
I wish I knew the purpose of existence and what role do I play in existence. Then when I come here, at least I would know where to actually allocate myself to actually can fulfill the destiny that actually here for.
How the fuck does he speak like this every day? He says he wishes he knew the purpose of his existence.
Yes.
What the fuck does that mean?
But then
Couldn't he just say how to get 5 girls to give me a blowjob at the same time behind a dumpster at Muddy Bang? He couldn't say that. I'm just saying.
The point that I'm making is, I want to do Vula or Jordan Peterson, Basse, send my think tanks. Because I'm
Yeah, but does he speak like that every day?
Hey.
Like,
I'm Kajaz,
I say too much English him now. Hey, okay, I hope you the existence, ne? Yeah. When I just need an advice.
this nigga committed suicide 2 days later.
uyilengise kwayizolo bambhaca bathi wenzani
Bathi wenza kwabuyizini yabona. But wenzani? I wanted to know the purpose of existence.
ubani suicide note bayishisa bathi leli dimona lihambe awe.
Advice for you. A grade 12 learner is watching us currently
No, they're
in
not.
South Africa. You get it? Maybe others are watching us in other countries. So tell us now, what advice can you give that person?
I would say your high school mind, ne? Like in high school you think you're smart, ne? This place no one is smart. There's no crack here. Yeah. So high school.
I guess he's never heard of the UJ Golden Key.
I've never been wrong.
What?
In high school they thought you were smart. No, I am not. No. Imagine getting worse. You're worse.
A 90% in high school is a 60% here.
That's a lie.
So if you are here by 60,
I
70,
want to know what formula did you use to
That's
calculate
bullshit.
that thing?
That's bullshit.
What did you use to
The
calculate
difference between
that?
high school and a university like UJ is that here there's a bunch of people who are smarter, who are
Yeah,
smarter,
the pool is
who are
bigger.
working. Yeah, and I'm gonna. Ndlula utshwala inkinga yami. Like to be honest, ndlula utshwala. High school ubeyikho
Futhi babodla intsawo namazinyo brown.
yeah, nezipho eziqinile.
Phusha kanjani ubhontshisi lapho?
No, but say there's no difference. There's no difference between high school then and I mean the same way I passed matric, I passed the exact same way with university because I'm not casual. I'm not doing the dorm. So yeah, inkinga ukuthi laba bafana abahlula utshwala inkinga yabo.
Air Force no skin jean, Nkosi yami.
Yeah, if you know what you are looking for, then
Yeah.
So they must anticipate that. Ne? Any advices? Oh, ma'am. Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. Ne? All the best. Ne? Okay. Hello.
Always.
Usukela abantu abajolayo. Nkosi yami.
abajoli zama ukushela leyo. Zama ukushela.
Inyoni.
He has that ngkhemile look. He has that ngkhemile look.
Aphelile abakhokho ukutrayela ula.
He has that look.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Oh, I'm good. Hello, Sissy.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Emily.
Omulimo. And you?
My name is Lavas.
Lovers. How is it to be a student here?
Oh my
Nah,
God.
it is good actually.
His name is Lovers.
Yeah, I'm enjoying it.
Okay. You?
Let's go there and interview the lovers.
Ngahlukana.
What the fuck are they advertising?
Sprite no a Coke. Same company. Wena, ukujikise hey. Coke.
I now know how to make a shoe. Take away everything from me, put me on the street, I'll make a shoe and I'll sell it. I'll still have an income.
No, if you skip that should be racist.
How is it to be a student?
It's okay.
Angishawa ke ultimatum mina ngeke kulunge. Nika mina ultimatum ngeke kulunge.
Like, it's okay.
Oh, okay. Is there anything that you wish you knew before coming here?
Yeah, I feel like I know. I should have like known like more information about the course that I chose.
About what?
You wish you knew before coming here?
Yeah, I feel like I know. I should have like known like more information about the course that I chose.
Of course. Damn, nobody's talking about impilo. They only talk about the course yabo. Hey, come on.
Yes, like how to talk to girls.
It's like dog.
How to talk to girls. How
Japanese
to handle
rain
your
goggles.
liquor,
Ever heard of that?
How
No,
to
you
handle
haven't.
Your liquor, how to jerk off without using your
Whoa,
hands.
check off Varsity. No, there was a 9,000. Usazihlukumeza.
But a lot of guys spend time there. Back on my talking stage until they graduate.
Dakiwe.
Bazakhuluma nentombazana.
Ngeke.
They just become one of the girls.
Ngeke. Ngithi no male best. Phela zentombazana ebhasini ngoba usile ekhanda.
Naye lo ngoba ehleli nentombazana yombona ukuthi cha. Ubest.
Akazothile futhi nale ntombazana bothi ayikho lento enihlalele la.
You wish you knew, so you did some research. And you?
I wish I knew that. How much pressure do we have?
It's common, guys, among every University of Johannesburg
Le
students.
pressure abakhuluma ngayo bayithatha phi? Into engifuna ukuyazi mina. Or maybe
Airbags.
abantu abazi ukuthi pressure yini.
Because they are all talking about the pressure which is here at University of
And you're gonna get
Johannesburg.
that person walking by.
Guys,
Hey, you wanna let her?
all right.
Come on.
So, guys, next to me,
Never
I have
mind.
these beautiful ladies.
Emphasize, nigga. Emphasize that shit.
They are UJ students also.
As opposed to what?
Can you introduce yourself? What's your name?
I'm Mas
I'd say that
Chaba,
my
but people call me
Instagram
Chabi.
Chabi. There's Chabi here, and you?
On
I'm
block.
Oh my God.
Block
And
umuntu
you?
abazi. Oh, block anything. What did I do?
Hold on.
Okay, Lungani. So the question is simple.
Hi, Lungani.
The question is simple that what are the things you wish you knew before coming to university? Anyone who have an answer quickly? What is that one thing you wish you knew before coming here?
People underestimated it and it's gonna trap either way.
This music
What?
is
It's
going.
gonna trap, like, it's gonna trap more than you think. Yeah.
And you?
I just wish I knew the modules that came with the course. I wish I knew what I was
What
getting.
are you studying?
Kodwa akaze niposte ngalezo zinto nihlezi nisitshela ngama Nkosi yami.
I'm scared to say it. A BCom in finance.
Finance. It's all about money, ne? Okay, and you? What is that one thing you wish you knew?
I knew that I wouldn't have time to sleep.
Simple as that, guys. All the best with your study, ne? Thank you so much.
Booking, oh my god.
Yeah, we found some students here. Let's find. All right. I have this beautiful lady next to me. Hello.
Hey.
What's your name?
Talita.
What are you doing which year?
I'm doing my second year in logistics and supply chain.
Yabona-ke. Hey, supply chain. So shushumbisi into ongazuyiboda.
Second year in logistics and supply chain. So tell us, what is that one thing you wish you knew before coming here?
Can you make this video fun? Say abafana or something like.
Wait, you know what's the problem here? It's the way that this dude is sitting.
He does not know how to set up answers. Uhleli njengaye ndiyafana ngamawele.
Something wrong.
One thing I wish I knew would be taking noodles every day. I'm kidding. Actually, the sleepless nights, man, and having to actually compromise and sacrifice and work hard. You sleep those like 3 to 2 hours, then you rush.
Sleep 2 hours.
For lectures and all that, but other than that, it's a great experience, and but you just have to put in the work and work hard.
All right. Okay. Hello, my guy.
Hello.
Okay, this video is done.
Oh, so awuthi le isuke la isuka khona wathatha ikhanda lakhe esigqoko sakhe siphuphile waza la wazokhuluma namajita azokutshela ukuthi hey urafu. There was no element of
yeah, this is the end of the video. I don't know why he's introducing someone new at 2 seconds left, but whatever.
What? Thank you.
What did umfakeleni in the first part? Okay, anyways, yeah, that was a insightful video.
We report the account.
What are you gonna say about it? What are you gonna say about it?
Mtshela ukuthi kade badlulula. Anything I can find here. Fuck it up.
He was sodomizing the sheep.
He's a white supremacist. Ubhala kanjalo. It was like
he said nigger this and nigger that. He encouraged all the white students to say nigger. Oh yeah, that was whatever that video was. Yeah, it was a. But I get what he was trying to do. I
understand, but your approach, my guy. Yo.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe I'm the
it's
problem.
fine.
Some will write me I'm the problem, but yeah.
It was a back alley abortion of a video. I get
Yo.
it. But it was still okay. It was still okay. I guess let's call my how many people have you slept.
I don't care about that, but mina ngikhalela ngokuthi charisma njani build up.
And come on, get more interesting people.
Yes.
What
the fuck? Yeah. The point that I'm making is usulela usuka khona zo interview amajita u9. Ilento leyo kubuyenze uhlela khoneni like
usheza kabhembe no teams. Ungangena campus. Check out girls posing.
No, dog, the point that I'm making is idatha iyabiza kule country for lento ongayenza ukuthi usiletha amadoda lana intona yami like come on man, come on, make an interesting pool of people also interviewer nabo.
It's cool. This is us wrapping. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and
suggest,
send kissing emojis.
Not to me. Comment. Suggest.
DM me.
For easy. Funny.
Ngithekise about life. Fuck you. So yeah, like, subscribe, and whatever that stupid shit that people say.
Ha 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 ha. Ngicela nisuggest ama video so react kuwona. Sharp.
In the dick.
In the
Bye bye.
Now ladies, before banengane, khumbula ukuthi this could be yours. Ikhumbule